Get ready to supercharge your sales game with the Mobo Sales for Odoo mobile app. This powerful mobile solution puts customers, quotations, invoices, products, stock and deliveries right at your fingertips. Designed especially for Odoo Community users, Mobo Sales helps you manage your entire sales workflow anytime, anywhere. Let's jump in and see how it works. Download Mobo Sales for Odoo from the Google Play Store or App Store and open the app. Enter your Odoo server URL such as http://yourserver.com, select your database from the drop-down, and log in using your username and password. Once logged in, you're instantly connected to your sales data and ready to get started. The dashboard is your sales command center. Here you can instantly view key metrics such as total customers, quotations, invoices, and products. Use quick actions to create new quotations or invoices, add customers or products, or perform a quick stock check and see top-selling products. Pull down to refresh anytime and keep your data up to date. Customers are the heart of your sales process, and Mobo Sales for Odoo makes managing them simple and efficient. Browse through your customer list and tap any customer to view contact details, addresses with interactive maps, and related quotations or invoices. Tap Edit to update customer information whenever needed. You can also quickly call, email, open WhatsApp, or share contact details directly from the app. To save time, use the built-in business card scanner with OCR to automatically fill in customer details. Creating and managing quotations is fast and seamless with Mobo Sales for Odoo. Tap the option to create a new quotation, select a customer, and add products with quantities and price. Set validity dates, payment terms, and add notes as required. You can capture a digital signature, generate a PDF, and share or email the quotation directly from the app. When you're ready, confirm the quotation into a sales order with just one tap. Easily search and manage invoices while viewing their status at a glance: draft, posted, paid, or overdue. Register payments using multiple payment methods, view payment history, and generate invoice PDFs instantly. If reconciliation is needed, Mobo Sales for Odoo clearly shows the status and guides you to complete reconciliation in the back end. Search and manage products effortlessly with images, SKU details, pricing, categories, and stock visibility. Use voice search or scan barcodes to find products instantly. Tap any product to view variants and inventory details. With the stock check feature, you can quickly search or scan products to view available quantities across different locations. Track deliveries related to your sales orders with ease. From a sales order, you can view the linked delivery information and open the delivery record to check details such as the reference, customer, scheduled date, current status, waiting, ready, or done, and product lines. While delivery orders are accessed through the sales order, this flow ensures you always have clear visibility into the delivery progress, along with the related sales and invoice information for a complete overview. Take full control of the app from the settings section. Access help and support options like the Odoo Help Center, Odoo Support, and Community Forum whenever you need assistance. In the About section, you can visit our website, contact us, explore more apps, and follow us on social media. You can also view app version details and basic Odoo information. Logging out is quick and simple with a single tap. Managing multiple accounts on the same server is seamless with Mobo Sales for Odoo. To add a new account, open the configuration menu and navigate to the Switch Account section. Tap the Add Account button at the bottom, enter the email and password for the new account, and tap Add Account. The app will authenticate the new user and automatically switch to that account. All your accounts are securely stored, making it easy to manage multiple users without re-entering server details each time. Once you have multiple accounts added, you can view them in the Switch Account section. Each account appears in a list showing the username, login email, and database information. To switch to a different account, simply tap on it. The app will authenticate and switch you instantly. You can also remove stored accounts you no longer need. Tap the three-dot menu next to any account in the list and select Remove to delete it from your stored accounts. This keeps your account list clean and organized. When you're ready to end your session, logging out is quick and secure. Open the configuration menu and scroll to the account section. Tap on Logout, and you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the app will securely log you out and return you to the login screen. Your session will end and all data will be cleared. That's the Mobo Sales for Odoo mobile app, a powerful mobile companion built to keep your sales operations moving wherever you are.